With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So here we have the question which says for x belongs to 0 to pi, the equation sin x plus 2 sin 2x minus sin 3x is equals to 3 has which option is correct? And we need to check which option is correct, right? So let's start our solution. So here we can see here we have sin 2x, right? And here we have sin 3x. Okay, so let's recall the formula. We know that sin 2x, value of sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x, right? This is standard result. And for sin 3x, what we have? We have 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x, right? So putting these values in place of this equation, what we will get? We will get sin x plus, here we have 2 sin 2x. So 2 into 2 will become 4. And here we will have sin x cos x, right? And in place of sin 3x, we will write, and here we have minus. So this will become minus 3 sin x, and this will become plus 4 sin cube x equals to 3, right? Now what we will do, we will take from this sin x common. So taking sin x common, what we will get? Because we can see sin x is in each and every values, right? So here taking sin x common, we will get this will become 1, and here we have this sin x, so this will become minus 3, and here we have plus 4x, 4 cos x, okay, and here we have plus 4, and here we have sine, this will become sine square x, right? Because here we have taken sine x common, so this will become 1 minus cos square x, because we know sine square x is equals to 1 minus cos square x, or we can say sine square plus cos square x is equal to 1, and by this we got this 1 minus cos square x, right? So this is equals to 3. Okay, now moving forward, we will have sine x, and in bracket we have minus 2 plus 4 cos x, and this will become 4 minus 4 cos square x, and here we have equals to 3. So simplifying it again, what we will get, we can take this sin x to RHS. So here minus 2 and plus 4 become 2. So here we have 4 cos x minus 4 cos square x plus 2, and here we will have 3 upon sin x, and we know 1 upon sin x is equals to cosec x. So we can directly write it as this 3 cosec x, right? So now we can write this 2 as 3 minus 1, right? So here we can write this like this 3, okay, and here we have minus 4 cos square x plus 4 cos x, and here we have what? We have minus 1, right? Now if we take this minus common right here, so what we will get? We will get 3 minus common, and here we will get 4x square minus 4 cos x plus 1 equals to 3 cosec x, right? And if we see here, we can see this is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. And how? So suppose this is 2 cos x square a square, okay, that is equals to a square minus 2ab, and here b is what? Here b is 1 square, right? So if we write it as 2 into 2 cos x into b, so this will be equals to 2ab plus b square, which is equals to a minus b whole square, correct? So here we can write it as like this 3 minus, and in brackets we have 2 cos x minus 1 whole square, right? And here we have this equals to 3 cosec x, right? Now if we see this, okay, so if we see our RHS first, okay, so here if we see RHS, so least value of RHS will be what? Will be 3, and to be 3, cosec x should be equals to 1. So cosec x is 1 at which angle? So at x is equals to pi by 2. So cosec x is 1 at angle pi by 2. So x equals to pi by 2. And least value of, this is value of LHS should be equals to 3, right? Is 3 at what? So this value must be equals to what? 0, right? So 2 cos x minus 1 equals to 0. That will be cos x equals to 1 by 2, and cos x is 1 by 2 is at pi by 3, right? So x is equals to pi by 3, we can say. So we can say LHS and RHS is not equal for what? For x is equals to, for same value of x. So therefore we can say it has no solution, right? So if we see our options, we can say option 4 is correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.